Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial for you, and in this video I'm going to be talking about freehand drawing. I'll be sharing some of the things that I learned over the years about the lines used in freehand drawing and the hand movements that are necessary to draw effectively. So as you can see, I'm trying to place a fairly accurate gesture on the paper, because these stick figures that you see, it helps me to maintain the right proportions of the figure, and also helps me to understand movement, which is, I think, the primary important thing in drawing a figure, that is the movement. Okay, now I'm using a piece of lead and placing some tones here and there. uh, this will help me understand the overall shape a little bit better. So also it will create a nice visual impact. Okay, now the main part, what makes a good figure drawing? As I mentioned earlier in the video, I think it's the lines, and it's the arm movement, and also it's the variation in the pressure that we apply on pencil. So these three things are crucial to a good figure drawing. Okay, so I'll be trying to explore all of that in this video. uh, as you can see, I'm not using much of the wrist movement unless it's the details. So hand movement or the arm movement, I think we should use the full arm, because once we do that, we will be able to explore the whole space on the paper, and our lines can get more bold and also expressive. So this way it will be a great contributing factor to an effective figure drawing. And the second thing that contributes to the figure drawing, to a good figure drawing, is, I think, are the lines. All the different lines there are in drawing, I think we should explore them, such as the curvy lines, the zigzag ones, the diagonal, straights, and verticals. I'm trying to explore all those in this particular composition. So what it gives is a locomotive. It will serve as a locomotive in creating interesting shapes. Okay, and the final thing is the variation in the pressure that we apply on the pencil. As you can see, there is a light lines going on, there is a medium tone lines going on, and there are dark ones. So what these do is they remove the stiffness out of the composition. This way the freehand drawing will really look free. So a little bit of stiffness in the drawing will take out the melody, and drawing without its melodic effect is not pleasing to one's eyes. So all these things, I think, we must remember while drawing. Okay, one thing I would like to share about freehand drawing is its importance. By practicing drawings like this, not only figure drawings, it can be anything like still lifes, landscapes, uh, portraits. So by practicing freehand drawing daily, it is guaranteed our eyes will be trained to identify the necessary detail, which is crucial for in learning simplification, also in painting as well. And while painting, our brush strokes will be more refined because of practicing freehand drawings like this. And there will be more emotion in our brushstrokes. So basically, drawing, freehand drawing is like a fuel. Literally, it's a fuel to a creative process. One thing I would like to share with those of you who are new to drawing is that you think of your work in terms of quantity for the time being. Don't think about the quality, because at the end of the day, how many drawings you have drawn is what matters. It does not matter how well you have drawn, because more quantity means you have gained more experience. Experience on handling the paper, the feel of the paper, the feel of the tools. And about the quality of your work, gradually your work will get better because you have drawn a lot. And just focus on quantity, and draw as many different subjects as you can. Repeat them, even if you have to, like 10 times, because this way you will see all the different angles of approach to drawing. I used to do this often. I used to repeat the drawings again and again, but it never gave me, it almost not never gave me the results I was looking for. But what it gave me is the most important thing, that is experience. It helped me figure out all the different ways how I can hide the so-called mistakes, because basically fine art, painting and drawing is about hiding mistakes. It's not about avoiding them, because drawing and painting is an illusion. You hide certain so-called mistakes. And back to the drawing, you can see I am using an eraser. This is because I want to place some highlights on the figure and on other areas. It's like using a white paint while painting. Also, you may see I have left out certain tonal shapes in the background. This is to make something happening in the background. I do not want a plain blank space. I need some relationship between the figure and the background, so I have left that abstract looking shapes. I think they are interesting. They will bring interest into the composition. So I'm almost done with my work. This is my finished sketch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and got some basic ideas on freehand drawing. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I suggest you check out the playlist section. I have uploaded videos on other topics like still life, portraiture, landscapes and so on. If you like the content, please support my channel by subscribing. And to all my subscribers, thank you for supporting me so far. See you in the next video. Take care.